Unraveling the Fury. Understanding Gale Wind Howling. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the vivid and dynamic phrase, gale wind howling. This expression is not just about weather. It paints a picture, evokes emotions, and carries deep meanings. Let's embark on this linguistic journey to understand every nuance and shade of this powerful phrase. At first glance, gale wind howling might seem like a straightforward description of the weather. But there's more beneath the surface. A gale is a very strong wind, typically used in meteorology to describe winds of significant force. The word howling adds a layer of intensity, describing the sound and fury of the wind. It's not just a breeze, it's a force of nature that roars and commands attention. When we say, gale wind howling, we're invoking powerful imagery. It's a phrase that makes you feel the chill in the air, hear the ominous sound of the wind, and sense the wild, untamed force of nature. It's often used to set a scene in literature or describe a stormy situation, both literally and metaphorically. While it's a phrase deeply rooted in weather terminology, gale wind howling has found its way into everyday language. It's used to describe situations that are intensely chaotic or full of turmoil. For example, someone might say, "The debate was like a gale wind howling," to describe a heated and noisy argument. Pronouncing gale wind howling clearly is important for conveying its powerful imagery. Focus on enunciating each word, with a slight emphasis on gale and howling to capture the phrase's intensity. Remember, your tone can also help express the phrase's dramatic nature. In our exploration of gale wind howling, we've uncovered its layered meanings, powerful imagery, and expressive potential. This phrase isn't just about the weather. It's a tool for storytelling, a way to describe intense situations, and a vivid addition to our linguistic palette. Thank you for joining this linguistic expedition, and I hope this video has been both enlightening and inspiring.